it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I got a great big box from Wawak. I told my husband I needed thread, and I ordered this, and it showed up at the door, and my husband's like, "How much thread did you buy?" I was like, "It's not all just thread." And he goes, "How much thread did you buy?" It's not just thread though. There's more here. Oops. Yeah, cut that a little bit more. My scissors have all disappeared on me, and I'm at the mercy of this tiny little box cutter, which box cutters are not the greatest when you're left-handed because they are all very right-handed. All right. Woo! There's a box in a box. All right. Oh, and it's heavy. Oh, goodness gracious, that's heavy. Okay. Let's get to the thread first. All right, move that out of our way. I got a big bag full of thread. I was running out of white. And of course, I can't just order white. I have to order some pretty colors too. So I did. I ordered some pretty colors too, along with a couple of other like variations of white that I don't normally use. So there's 5 spools of white thread. That way I won't have to order again for a while. And I got kind of like it's kind of like a grayish tint to it. You can see this is my normal white. And the other one is just slightly grayish. And the normal white, in case you're wondering what when I order, it's Gutermann, and it is number 111. And then I got this, which is kind of like a crew kind of color. You can see this is the gray one. There's the crew, and there's the white. I don't know. It's kind of yellowish, not quite a crew, but close. I think this other one is probably more a crew. There we go. I figured, these lighter colors are what I use most because of piecing and stuff. So that's why I kind of tried to get a bunch of those. And then I got the fun colors. We've got this awesome kind of aqua-y teal, and then a little bit lighter version, and this blue. So they all kind of go hand in hand there. But I really wanted to get a pretty blue color, kind of minty teal color, because I got some fabrics to sew with that, and I don't have a thread that's that color. So I almost called it floss. I don't have thread that's that color, so I needed to get some. And of course, I got this really pretty kind of berry purple color, but of course I had to get some keys. So those were the other fun colors I picked out. Now these are, I think they are like, I want to say Microtex 30 or something like that. And I'm not seeing it on here. Oh, I bet it's on my receipt. Let me check that real quick. Oh, there's stickers. Okay, hold on. It just says Tex 30. And they're 1,093 yards each, which these are the cheapest thread that I can find that's a good quality and my machine likes. My machine doesn't seem to, I don't know. It does fine with the Orifil. It's just that I think it prefers the Gutermann, and I can get it for a lot cheaper. So that's a bonus. They gave me this sheet of stickers. So if I want to label anything with Wawak, I can do that. Not sure. I don't know. The kids will enjoy playing with them. Now for the heavy part that made my box so big. Oh gosh. Okay. Can you guess what it is? I think I turned it so that you don't see the label on the outside. I'm going to end up slicing my finger open with this box cutter because I keep wanting to, I don't know, I keep wanting to hold it like this to where my thumb can open it. But if I do that, then it makes the tip at the top to where it'll slice your finger if you try to. It's just hard using a box cutter as a lefty. All right, we need some left-handed box cutters. Oh, I forgot that I got a different one than I normally do. Oh gosh. It is a gallon of Best Press. Goodness gracious. This is the Linen Fresh scent. I normally get the peaches and cream. Oh, of course it's sealed. I can poke it open. I'm gonna smell it. Hopefully it smells good, because if not, then I'm stuck with it for like a year. Oh yeah, it smells good. Yep, that's what I would want linen scent to smell like. So that's a pretty good smell. It's a little bit soapy, but it's not too bad. Way better than the Caribbean smell. I do not like that one. It kind of like, it has a very chemically fake flower smell that I don't like. But this one, I think will be okay. All right, guys, that's it. That is my order from Wawak. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.